A big travel trailer with a huge living room. Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. They call me the Honey Badger because I give it to you straight and transparent about the RV business. This is the Forest River Palomino Puma 38DEN. It weighs 10,044 pounds dry, 11,500 pounds GVWR, on 5,100 pound axles. It has an amazing living room and kitchen. If this is the first time you have seen one of my videos, I do about a 6 to 10 minute walkthrough of the entire travel trailer and talk about it without any special effects, sound effects, or weird editing. It does have a roof ladder. It is prepped for a backup camera. Now, I did this voiceover because unfortunately my laptop took a crap, so I can't use a regular video editor right now, so you'll have to forgive me. But I love the setup inside here. You got residential oven, residential refrigerator. I like the way the kitchen is set up because you have plenty of counter space where the sink is, with cabinets above the sink and below. So when you're washing dishes, I know as a man that loves to cook, if I can just put my dishes away after I wash them in the same area, especially in an RV, it's something very, let me say, efficient. I don't feel like I'm going from one space of the trailer to the next. Let me know how you feel about that in the comments section. It still has the small microwave, but again, lots of drawers, plenty of storage for the kitchen, including a pantry, which we'll get to in a few minutes. Now, the one thing about this Puma is it can have up to 3 air conditioners. Every Palomino Puma destination trailer now comes with an Arctic package. Now, they call it a destination trailer because there are still tanks on it. What I mean is there's still freshwater, black, and gray tanks on it. Now, that residential sized refrigerator does run while you're driving. So it actually has an inverter. And you can add solar if you want to onto these destination trailers. But for the most part, folks park these at resorts. They park them by the river. They park them and use them kind of like a cabin. It's pretty cool. The living room is nice and open with opposing slides. You got lots of windows going around, theater seating. So it's the same setup as most of your front living room fifth wheels, but it's in the back. So they call it a den. Now, I still think the cabinets above some of the couches on the slide outs is a waste of space. A lot of you have told me you really like them, so I think the manufacturers will keep that going. But I think all the storage in the entertainment area in the rear is really good. It also comes with a fireplace, which also acts as an electric heater. Now, here's what I find very interesting about destination trailers. Most folks are not going to tow this around the country. Okay, if you do, you're going to want a dually truck. Even if you have a 3/4 ton truck, that's diesel and newer, you're really going to want a dually. Okay, even though legally your 3/4 will do it fine, a dually is a lot more stable, especially with the height and the tongue weight. Now, the bathroom was small, as you guys saw, but it's got a big shower. Now, what I love about Palomino Puma is they automatically give you a king-size bed in the master bedroom with a large hangable closet area and stackable washer dryer standard. Now, at least that's the standard way the dealership I work for orders them. Okay. Now, a lot of times you can purchase these depending on what part of the country you're in for under $65,000. Now, if you have any questions, I have my contact information in the description box below. Don't forget about, if you'd like to support the channel financially, we have super thanks, super chat, and we have merchandise. And in the top right hand corner, you're going to see another really cool destination trailer that I think you're going to enjoy.